Come on, keep moving. 7, 8, 9. All right, good start.
I'm afraid of heights.
No, hold on, you can't be afraid of heights doing this challenge. Come on, keep moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, keep moving. Keep it moving. All right, I know it's tough. Come on. All right. Take it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Come on. Come on. You did it the other day. You did this the other day. Shouldn't be new. Uh-oh, you look like you're giving up on me. You look like you're giving up. Okay. Come on, give me the burpees.
Can I get a count?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, one more. 10.
Just in case you miss one.
Okay. All right. 11. Good, thanks.
Let's bring up.
All right, do it. Go ahead. All right. Go ahead. That's the spirit. Come on. There you go. Now you're walking. All right, let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, okay. All right, you're walking. Come on. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. All right. Come on, T. You look like you're dragging on me. Okay.
Push-ups?
Yeah, push-ups now. Yeah, push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoo! Okay. Come on. Whew. You almost done with your second set here. Come on.
I need something to eat.
Yeah, you need something to eat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Think you can handle it? Think you can handle that second? This is the third set. Can you handle it? Think you can do it? Think you can do it? Come on. This is your third set. I want you falling out here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And an extra one. Okay, that's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, come on. Be careful. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, keep going. Okay. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, come. I know. 8, 9, 10. All right, this is the last round. Can you do it? This is all you got. This is it.
Jesus.
I know.
Take the wheel, Lord.
He's looking at you. He's monitoring this for quality assurance. Here we go. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Come on. That shovel. Let's do it. To the right.
Last shovel.
Yes, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Yes. Throw that shovel out across the way. Wow. That's it. All right. Give it all you got, girl. All right. Here we go. All right. This is it.
This one's for the core.
This is for the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The core thanks you. Here we go. All right. One good sprint up to the hill. Come on. Give me one good sprint. Give me one good sprint. That's it. All right. Come on, do these burpees. Get these burpees out the way. And then all you got to do is a sprint. All right. Yes, it's okay.
Burpee push-ups for David, bye-bye.
David, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come on, bye-bye. Let's do these push-ups. 1. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 2. 3. 4. Come on, come on. 5. Bye-bye's looking at you. He's paying attention to you. 6. 7. Come on, come on. It's about to, oh, okay. Don't do all that. Let me know. 8. 9. 10. All right.
All right, Stefan Jefferson.
And
This last sprint's for you, Stefan.
Stefan, pay attention. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. And she's coming. This is it. This is the marathon. This is it. All right. We made it, and we hoo! Thank God for that no slip. All right. All right.
Stop it.
All right.